5:21 in the morning, and the mountains are calling.
We're all falling and we need a place to hide. A safe place somewhere in the woods. Start to fight. All we know is what will be our home. Break of dawn.
That's where we're headed.
The cold night takes us to a place to escape the chill. Tucked up somewhere in the woods on a hill. Wake up feeling the cold in between our toes. Is there a way back? Nobody knows. And we leave it all behind. Can't you see? We need some time. And we all sit around the fire. We feel a little warmer now. And we all sit around the fire. We feel so much better now. And we all sit around